Om, Namaste to all. I have been doing a lot of videos for the last 2-3 months, but I never introduced my Guruji at length to the viewers. Actually, someone recently asked me, can I know more about your Guruji? Then I thought I should make a video to introduce to the viewers about my Guruji. To be honest, words will fall short for sure, and I don't have any quality to describe my master, my Guru, my Pita and my Acharya. But still I try to explain in short what I know and what I have experienced in the last many years at the lotus feet of my Guruji. My Guruji's name is Swami Ram Swarupji Yogacharya. He attained enlightenment in 19th March 1979. Actually, we have heard this word enlightenment from the so-called self-declared gurus of today who tell themselves that they are enlightened. But the real meaning of enlightenment is to realize the Almighty God from whom the Vedas knowledge emanate. And my Guruji used to tell that when a person gets enlightened, he becomes a yogi. And by the inspiration, by the power of Almighty God, that yogi gets the knowledge of Vedas direct from the Almighty God at the Samadhi stage. My Guruji is a philosopher of Vedas. He is an authority in Ashtanga Yoga. Actually, my Guruji did intense tapasya of Ashtanga Yoga in dense caves of Rishikesh under his lotus feet of his Acharya, Baba Bankanti Das Maharaji. Thereby he attained enlightenment in 1979. My Guruji is a living legend and a living yogi, and as you know, if you don't know, please know that it's very rare to find a yogi who is alive today and also available in public to preach the knowledge of God, knowledge of Almighty, the four Vedas. My Guruji is learned of all darshanas, the darshan shastras. The 6 darshan shastras are Yoga Shastra, Sankhya Shastra, Nyaya Shastra, Vaisheshik Shastra, Mimamsa Shastra and Vedanta Shastra. My Guruji is authority in Sanskrit grammar, what we popularly call as Vyakaran, Panini Ashtadhyaya Sutra Pata, and also the commentaries of Patanjali Yoga Rishi, which is called as Mahabhashya. My Guruji has deep knowledge of all the 6 angas of Vedas, in-depth studied all the 11 authentic Upanishads. I mean authentic because these are the 11 Upanishads which are based on Vedic knowledge. My Guruji has authority in Brahmana Granthas, Shatpat Brahmin or Aitra Brahmin, Taitra Brahmin, etc. And also my Guruji is learned of Griha Sutras. My Guruji has also in-depth studied Valmiki Ramayana as well as the Mahabharata, the original version. And my Guruji, I would say, is a very great artist in musical instruments such as tabla and harmonium. And my Guruji has written so many bhajans by himself in Hindi and also composed music as well as he sings these bhajans in remembering Almighty God, Vedas and his Acharya. And also my Guruji has written bhajans advising public on how to live life, etc. I would say my Guruji is also a philanthropist in a way because he has changed the life of many people across the world who went to his lotus feet. My Guruji is a hardcore patriot. He served the Indian Army for more than 25 years before taking retirement in 1986. My Guruji has written more than 40 books and many of the books have been translated into other languages. Means he wrote the book in English and Hindi and translated into other languages such as Tamil, Kannada, Telugu, Marathi, Gujarati, etc. And I would say each and every book is based on Vedas, but I would say one of the epitome book which is very rare in today's world is Srimad Bhagavad Gita, a Vedic Rahasya, because in the market you can find 30 to 40 different publications of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, different versions and interpretation. But in this book, my Acharya has written that knowledge because Sri Krishna did not study Gita to give the knowledge of Gita to Arjun. He studied the Vedas. So my Guruji has gone to roots of each and every shloka and he gives the Vedic proof, the Ved mantra proof from where Sri Krishna got the knowledge of those shlokas, or Vyasmuni got the knowledge of those shlokas. That is the specialty of this book written by my Guruji. And also the Yoga Darshana in Hindi, what he has written, is a book which is his practical experience in life, because he did intense Ashtanga Yoga Tapasya, and in this book he has given his practical knowledge on how to do, or how to understand the yoga philosophy in detail. My Guruji has been performing yajna for the last 40 plus years, and because of his inspiration, his blessings and his kripa, all his disciples today, even the young people, small kids, are doing Agnihotra Havan every day at their home, at their residences, morning and evening. My Guruji preaches the Vedic knowledge in every day. Almost the yajna is being conducted in our ashram in Himachal Pradesh, and he gives the Vedic preach. You can see the knowledge in Ved Mandir YouTube channel also, where whenever yajna is conducted, my Guruji comes live in YouTube and gives the knowledge of Vedas to the public. And I have seen my Guruji so kind-hearted and down to earth, in spite of he being at the age of 80 years. He is always ready to help people. He is always ready to solve the problem of his people who goes to his for his guidance. And he gives Vedic advices to all the problems whichever we put to him. And also he has been, through his website vedmandir.com, he has been solving many people problems by way of question and answers for the last 20 plus years. Anyone can ask any question to my Guruji in this website, and he will give the answer, and he will give the solution to each and every problems and answers to each and every questions. And that questions will be also displayed in the website for others to read and understand. My Guruji has been regularly writing various articles in newspapers in English and Hindi, and also been writing blogs in internet. And also in YouTube he has started giving the Vedic knowledge, because today in this world the Vedas knowledge is almost lost. So my Guruji is trying even at this age of 80 plus years, he is trying day in and day out to spread the knowledge of Vedas, because without Vedic knowledge the peace will not be established. That is my Guruji's message always. And he always says that whatever knowledge you are gaining, please try to spread the knowledge of Vedas to the public. Overall, I would say it's a rare, my Guruji is a rare soul, a rare birth, and it's actually next to impossible to find a person like my Guruji at this age, at this stage, in the market today, where we have flood of self-declared false gurus, and people who are his disciples who have taken Diksha and who have known him are really lucky ones, because as I told, finding a yogi, finding a Rishi Muni is a great, I mean, it's next to impossible in these times. I will meet you. I request you to subscribe my channel. I will meet you in another video with some interesting update. Thank you so much. I will meet you in the next video. Please subscribe the channel, forward the information to people who are willing to understand Vedas. Om Namaste.